Welcome everybody. It's time for another Nature Kids at McLive. Glad you could join us. It's a spring day in May here in western Kentucky, and it's been raining most of the day. You just got to dress right. Still get outside. I've got my little raincoat on. Brought my umbrella just in case. Can you hear the rain? Listen. Sounds so pretty. Springtime's an important time. We need this rain. It helps the plants to grow. It helps them flower like the rose, or maybe the wild asters. I bet you've got flowers in your yard. And the greens, all the greens, they look so pretty after a rain. How about this fern? Yeah, ferns are really pretty. What else? Other plants need rain too, like this big tree back here. This is an ash tree. What about the grass? You see the grass behind me? Grass needs lots of rain. What about way out there? That's a field of wheat. Well, I'm out in the farmland. All those crops need rain. Not too much rain, but they need rain too. So they can grow wheat and corn and soybeans. All our farmers, they really watch the rain. What else needs rain? Animals need rain. You and I need rain. We need water. I know a lot of the birds. I watch them in the puddles. They like to take a bird bath. Have you ever seen a bird take a bath in a puddle? It's pretty funny. And some animals like it kind of wet, damp, like frogs or skinks, toads maybe. Just gotta look down. So I see something right now. Hold on, let me get this. It wasn't hard to catch. Moves pretty slowly. Want to take a look? Here. So what about that? Did you like the snail? Yeah. It's kind of shy. When you find them, you might see them out of their shell, but then when you pick them up, they go back in their shell like that, and then you have to hold them real quiet, real gently. Just hold it there, and they'll crawl out like you saw in my hand. So snails are pretty easy to find after a rain. Just look under a rock or look in your garden or at the base of a plant. A lot of gardeners don't like snails, but because they eat their plants. But everybody's got to eat, right? So there's the snail. And I have a trivia question. I want to know how many of you actually knew this, because I didn't know this. Did you know that a land snail, the kind I had in my hand, did you know that a snail is related to the octopus? Yes, they're in the same family. I didn't know that until today. You learn something new every day at your library. So you check out our website. Go check out some ebooks at mclib.net. Get outside. Have some fun. Take your umbrella, just in case. Later, kids.